Efficiency and automation are what make you succeed. Introducing Oqcam's Manufacturing OS, AI-powered automation designed to revolutionize CNC milling workflows. Oqcam MOS offers a comprehensive CAM solution tailored for dental production, embracing metal printing, resin printing, and CNC milling. By using AI technology, this system automates and optimizes your manufacturing process across all machines, resulting in significant time and resource savings. From the moment the design file is available, Oqcam takes care of the process. No matter the number of STLs, after a brief calculation, you check, approve, and it's straight to milling. Oqcam MOS operates on all your parts in parallel. The software will automatically orient, place pins, and will select the right disc in function of tooth height, shade, and remaining available space, and nest in a very efficient way. This smart automation eliminates the need for user interaction on each part or each nest. Oqcam's platform is machine agnostic. It replaces disconnected software applications, ensuring seamless integration with all your existing machines. With Oqcam Manufacturing OS, you can produce more using fewer resources. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Oqcam, transforming CNC milling in dental labs.